So I decided to do another Animal Crossing character makeup. My previous video I did Isabelle. I'm really enjoying doing these. Animal Crossing New Horizons is literally less than a week away and I feel like I've waited forever from doing anything that is related to Animal Crossing because I'm just so excited and I can't stop thinking about it and I just want to do everything Animal Crossing like. So here I am trying to look like Margie, my favourite character. Really hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know if you're an Animal Crossing fan as well. I wanna share my excitement with all the Animal Crossing fan people out there. And if you like these looks, let me know too, because I probably will do more because I actually really enjoy doing it. Yeah, enjoy the video. I'm kind of improvising this a little bit. I've got an idea in my head on how I want it to look, but I haven't practiced. I have no idea how it's going to turn out. So let's do it. Oh boy, okay, here we go. Right, let's start on the hair. Right, so in my head, let's see if it is successful. Okay, wait. Could try and shape the buns to make them look more ear shape. What am I on about? Yeah, so it kind of looks like an ear. Kind of, not really. I guess I kind of want to like create an anime person that's meant to be an elephant in the inside. Why am I finding this so hard already? Right, what next? What next? Got the lovely yellow face paint. This is the Mayron paints. Oh, they're lovely. They're my favourite face paints. So good, so pigmented. Never let me down. And that's what we want in life. God, okay, right, okay, right, okay, right. What should we do next? I have no idea. I'm going to use an airbrush gun. I'm going to use some yellow airbrush colour. Let's go. Okay, my hair is really fucking yellow now. Honestly, not sure how I'm feeling about this look so far. I think because of the paint, it's made my hair look very just like wet and straw-like. So I just think it looks a bit odd. But I'm not going to come this far to make my hair look custard yellow and then stop. So we're going to keep going. I think we're going to have to bring back the clown white. Okay, I've just set with powder. I want to do like really anime eyes. Shit. Let's blend this colour out a bit more. Let's fuck it, let's use yellow. Actually, I kind of like that. Let's put some shimmery shit on my eyes. let's use slightly darker pink. I've taken the kimono off because Margie's like most prominent colour is the hot pink, so I think I'm just going to keep it with this. Let's paint some flowers on my body. Pink and a white, swirl the brush in, and then just swirl the tip. I can't stop, it's just so much fun. Grab some of this shimmer. The shimmerier the better.